Hi there, my name is Clemens. I'm here today to do a wig review for Hannah's Hair Parlour. For the purpose of this video, I've already washed the hair and cut the lace off to limit the amount of time I have to spend doing this video. So I'll show you the packaging which the wig came in. This is the package for the wig with the company logo name, Hannah's Hair Parlour, and it has their website on here whenever you want to order, and it has their Instagram, Facebook, and Atomgram handles. So the wig came in a nicely packaged white and gold packaging. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. I've already seen the wig, so I know what is in it, so I'm quite excited about the wig. Okay, it comes up in this like silky bag, and it comes up again in a sort of a net to hold the wig together. So this can be reused whenever you feel like using it. And it also comes up with like a salt pepper inside it to keep it in shape, which means they did put the thought in the packaging part of their product. This wig is a 360 wig, which I have already cut the lace off. Like I said, I don't want to spend a lot of time on here going through each and every stage, so I've already cut the lace around the areas that I want it to be. And like I say, this is a 360 wig. You can see I've cut like all around the edges, and I've cut the lace off. And it is one of their premium wigs, which is like a fake scalp wig, which comes with sort of like a layer. You can see that it's beautifully made. So I think there are like 3 layers on it, including the lace part of it. So it's really looking nice so far. And there are some combs which you can put into your hair. With this wig, you don't even need a cap at all, and it has adjustables, just like the adjustables for a bra. So you can put on the first place, second place, and then third place. So there it is. So it will stretch, and it will, you can see how it will hold onto the wig. Okay, and at the back it also has a comb on it and some adjustable straps, okay, which I'm gonna use because I'm not gonna be wearing a cap. I'm not gonna be wearing a cap on it because it doesn't need a cap. I'm just gonna put the adjustables so that when I wear it on, I know that it is all secure on my head. So this is how I'm gonna do it. There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this because I don't think I would need them. But if you've got a smaller head, definitely you would need these. Okay, let's see how this will look on me. Okay, I'm gonna start by, you can see my hair, it's cornrowed. I have problems with the hairline, so don't judge my hair, because it just breaks during winter time and it starts to grow like as we come out of winter. So I've just decided I'm just gonna be wearing wigs. I can't be bothered with trying to grow it, because I've spent a lot of money trying to look for products to grow my hairline, but it just breaks. It is the way it is. I'm not gonna be grumbling about it. So here we go. So I will just take one of these combs through my cornrows. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can use one of the combs so that it feels more secure. There it is. So what I'm gonna do with this wig is I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Like I said, I've washed it and I didn't need to do much to it. So what I'll do now, I'll just put some leave-in conditioner. I usually use the argan oil from Morocco, Strength and Shine leave-in hair conditioner. That's all I use. So that's just what I'm just gonna use. I'm gonna use this to just make it sit well in my head, and I'll do a second part video where I will style the wig and put some curls, but this one I'm just gonna leave it straight. See how it comes up. So this is it. Okay, let me just comb it. Just take off my glasses. More conditioner. The splits so that it sits well. What I'm interested is to see how the fake scalp blends with my own hair, with my own skin tone. So where is the center of my head? I'll go it this way, I think. It's actually sitting really well without the... Okay, let me just show you. Okay, you can part it any way you want. It doesn't have to be the center part. You can see it doesn't have to be any parting that you think will suit you, but you can put the parting anywhere you want. You just feel like it, you can tell. But I like the center part of the parting, so I'm just gonna put it on there, in the center. I like things that are simple, so I'm not gonna glue the wig. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna let it flow the way it is, because really I can't glue it. I don't think it needs gluing, because it's just sitting properly on my head. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure that this is flat. And remember, I didn't apply anything onto the wig. I didn't put any other like hair products except for the hair conditioner. The hair is quite soft. It just does what you want it to do. So let's just see about that. You know, some people would want to do the baby hairs. It has part of the baby hairs. If you want, you can cut these and do the baby hairs, but I don't want to do that. I want something that is natural looking, and this wig is 180% density, so I didn't buy something that would make my hair look a bit big. Like I'm saying to you guys, that I like things that are natural looking. Like when people looks at it, they would just think it's my natural hair. I like this hair because it doesn't seem to be giving me a lot of trouble. Oh, it's sat properly in my head. I don't feel like it might come off. So I don't know what you think, guys, about this hair, but I love it. I like it. It's just did what I wanted it to do. I kept it the normal style that it came in, like a bit loose, wavy at the bottom of it, but I wanted it straight on top, and this is how it looks. So I don't know what you guys think about this wig. It's really nice for me. I love it. I don't have to do much to it. I actually prefer my wigs to look this way than having something that is complicated. I'm gonna do part 2 where I'll curl it, and then you guys, you can see and just compare the two styles and see which one you like. But I am so happy with this wig. I don't have anything bad to add or to subtract on it. The hair is just like easy to maintain, which is something that I like, because I usually start work very early in the morning, sometimes it's 7. So I would prefer something that is easy and not difficult to maintain in the morning, because I wouldn't have the time to be doing the wig. So this is how the wig looks like, and again it came with a label which has their phone number. Okay, you can see that it has the phone number and the handles for the social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Atomgram. And at the back it has details of how you maintain your wig. So this is quite nice. And again, I repeat, on the packaging, this bag is quite handy. It's like a small shopping bag, which I think is quite handy. And I love the way they've done it. I love the way it's shiny. It's beautiful to me. And the gold and the white color is really good. And they've got all their contacts information on there, which is like hannahshairparlour.co.uk. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. There you go. And all their Instagram details. You can go on their Instagram channel and just have a look of what other wigs they've got. But I got mine, and I want to thank Hannah's Hair Parlour for this beautiful wig, and I love it. And I'll be seeing you when I buy more wigs from you. For now, that's it. Goodbye, guys.